Matang?
Yes?
Matang abi?
Boss? It's you again?
Oh my goodness. Hindi nga naman ang labag na Amerikano ngayon. May stress nga naman.
What? Labag? Who's labag?
Hey, you English speaker. Do not underestimate my English grammar ha.
Boss, can you please check your grapefruits?
Yang English ya. Hey, you, Fulana, I want to buy tuyo. Do you have tuyo? I want to buy tuyo, please.
What? To you? What is that?
Tuyo, I want to buy tuyo. Did you get what I told?
Huh? To you? You mean me?
Baliw ka yata eh.
Mario, tuyo, you don't know tuyo? It's like a tiny fish. Did you get tiny fish and salted fish? May I explain it carefully, okay? Tuyo, if you cook the tuyo, then you put it to the parayu, then the smell is mabuyo. Did you get?
You cook me?
Mario, dati kinigi may stress nga kami na babeng we. You don't know tuyo?
You're so annoying! You said you want to buy me?
Naloko na.
Eh, wala na. Akan to for sale ka kanto. Siko na lubugatangan ko, ni ko ako tani ko. Tuyo, mabising nga na to tuyo wala na. Dispatchan na nga na to tuyo. Hindi nga na mabayo nga babay. Yan lang.
Tuyo?
Yes!
Ay, nako.
It's like fish, tiny fish. If you eat too much to you, then you will be having a UTI. Because it's salted, it's massing, ha?
What did you say?
Yes.
You want to eat me?
Ay, nako.
It's like fish. If you eat too much to you, and then your kidney will be destroyed. Oh,
Naloko na.
is that clear? To
Ah,
you, it's fish, tiny fish.
fish.
Yes.
Ah, here,
Pas
here.
Mario,
Here,
basic.
here. Where's your money?
Ano yan?
Fish.
Asus fish cracker sa lagon na mabayog na mabayog.
Naloko na.
Dagdamak ka, tama dito Amerika na gawing kwalas na fish cracker mo eh. Ating mga kalabing.